name's Steve Colston. I'm a junior golf instructor in 𝗨𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗀, California. We teach juniors up to adults starting at about 5 years old, and we take these kids as far as they want to go in golf. We've been here since 2016, and this is what's worked best for us, where we can project the image forward so our students can see the ball right at the target. They can see their distance, club face angle, whether they're hitting it left or right, and it's all there on the screen right in front of them. They just absolutely love it. They don't want to leave after their time allotment is up. And so each week, the results we're seeing, it's so valuable for us to have this screen. The ball is absorbed quickly, the accuracy is great, and it seems like it's going to last years. My favorite thing about having the GolfSim is the graphics that we see on it and how accurate it is. You can play golf courses, you can see whether you're hitting your target. It's just, there's so many things you can do with it. The first thing they want to do is hit into the simulator and hit into the elite screen. And it doesn't matter if you're right up close or far back. We're getting shot after shot, just great results. It was very easy to put together. The quality of the product is fantastic. It's solid as a rock. Having the screen to project an image is really everything for us. We do not want to walk over to an iPad and look at something small. We want the results right in front of you, and you can't miss it, and it's just a quality item. We'd like to add an additional screen, and perhaps more if we have other locations that open in the future. We have students that come on a weekly basis, and what we've seen with the elite screen has just been remarkable. The value for the business, it's just been such a cool thing to see people come in and want to hit balls into the elite screen, and we're so thrilled to have it.